Maia. I'm an online Filipino specialist working as a digital marketer for an Australian company. I am cooking chicken adobo for my kids. For me, the secret to a delicious adobo is having to put the exact ingredients. Right now, I'm packing the lunches of my kids so that they don't have to go back home for lunch. Anong subject ng exam nyo ngayon?
English.
Ikaw?
Math.
Okay, pagbutihan nyo ha. Right now, it's 6:55 in the morning. Bye! My kids has just left for school and I'm about to start my shift. Our company offers vehicle accessories for recreational and commercial purposes. So my work there as a digital marketer includes creating newsletters, social media management, monitoring ad campaigns, and troubleshooting their website. I'm very happy with my schedule right now because I get to prepare my kids for school in the morning. I started working with them just last year, but I've been working online for 13 years now. Now I am writing about vehicle accessories. This is for our blog section in the website. At 5 p.m., the kids come home. Welcome home. Kumusta exam?
Okay lang naman.
Mahirap pero nakasagot.
Nakasagot naman kayo sa lahat? Okay, sige. Pasok na kayo. And at 6 p.m., I cook dinner and then we sleep by 10 p.m. Today is Saturday, 10 a.m. I'm about to do my one-on-one coaching with one of my students. So, right now she's online. Hi, Nina. Good morning.
Hello, Coach Maia. Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well.
I've seen your article and it looks good. However, I have a few recommendations for improvement. Every Saturday, I usually get up at 7 a.m. And then at 10 a.m. to 12 noon, I do live classes with aspiring online freelancers. The topics we have discussed so far are creation of Onlinejobs.ph account and then content writing. So now we are on our third session. So we're gonna review what she has done so far. At 12 noon, I prepare lunch and then I create a meal plan for the next 2 weeks and then I buy groceries. And then at 4 p.m., I ride my bike. I'm thankful to OLJ for giving me the opportunity to learn the skills that I have now and impart the knowledge to aspiring online Filipino specialists. Coaching has been very fulfilling for me, and every time they tell me that they were able to land a job online because of me, I feel very happy.